I 26 male walked into my apartment and saw my GF 24 female sleeping with another man, but I am numb, I am crushed, I was used. We have a 5-year-old son together. I don't understand why she would ruin what we had. I am too exhausted to emotionally grasp what I walked into at 3 a.m. For context, I'm an airline pilot. I left this morning at 10:30 am and had a very eventful day. Long story short, I was supposed to end up in Toronto and ended up being able to go home instead. The last thing I told my GF was that I wasn't able to make it home. She wasn't expecting me. I wasn't expecting her to be at our apartment since she left before me this morning with our son and dog to visit her family. I arrive home at 3 a.m., 16 hours of work, to see her car parked in the lot. I was confused since she was supposed to come home the following day. I was excited to see her and my son. That is my favorite thing in the world, is coming home seeing my GF and son cuddled up sleeping peacefully. I walk in our apartment. Notice our dog wasn't in the kennel. I figured maybe she left him out to sleep in our son's room so he doesn't bark when I arrive home. I walk over to the bedroom and see my GF sleeping, and to my horror I see another man holding his arm around my GF in our bed where I was expecting to see my son. I can't believe what I'm seeing. I'm exhausted and in pure disbelief. I pull out my phone and record with the flashlight. I see all these clothes she bought from Victoria's Secret from the mall. She said she was there with girlfriends, not, among other stores. I see clothing you would use to role play or just have sex with, something nice looking. Part of it was a wig, which was weird to me. I looking around more to see a $200 sex toy she was excited to get, which she was saying she wanted me to use it on her while I was gone. It was some remote control vibrator thing. I can see the side of her. She is in her underwear and a shirt. I look around more to see a used condom on the nightstand. I grabbed my suitcase and walked back at the door, and I'm currently at a friend's house for the night. While they sleep together in my bed, while I make money for our family, my GF of 6+ years is cheating on me. I have given this girl my whole world, my love, loyalty, and care. She is a stay-at-home mom with no job. I give her this as a choice, to spend more time raising our son. I provide while she is the caretaker of our home. A lot of things make sense now looking back. The biggest hint was she was never in the mood to have sex with me. I think she emotionally detached a while ago but has no one to take care of her besides me and the child support she will receive from me now. She would tell me what she would do if we broke up. Very odd to say things like that. I didn't want to believe it, but she doesn't love me or respect me anymore. Let alone she doesn't respect herself, and most importantly she disrespected our 5-year-old son. Our son does not deserve this. It will be very difficult with my career to see him. The worst part is our son and I picked up flowers and chocolate for her yesterday. While she was out with her friends, she was at this dude's places while I was doing all the chores so she could have a night off. We even bought the new Avatar 2 movie to watch together. I am so fucking lost. I have off tomorrow and want to go to my apartment. I just want to see the girl I thought she was and my son. Small update. I did go over there and confront them both. It has been going on for 6 months and he knew nothing about me. He was surprised just as much as me. I got everything off of my chest. The guy seemed as if he realized how shit of a situation this was. The college kid was roped into this by my ex. Ex response was typical response you would expect. Trying to run out and not face the reality of the situation she caused. I contacted her mom and sister and they are upset with her, but we realize the bigger picture is to make sure my son stays happy. My world, and his world just flipped underneath our feet. We will figure it out and strive for better days.